Hi there! So, it's just the beginning of 2024 and Poco has dropped these amazing devices at amazing prices. The X6 Pro and the X6. Now, both these devices have tons of similarities, yet each has a different character. If you're confused on which one of these to pick, you have come to the right place. It goes without saying that the Poco X6 Pro is superior out of the two, but the idea of this video is to show you both these devices side by side, share our experiences so you can decide which one of these is perfect for you. Let's begin. So we'll start with the unboxing experience. Very similar boxes, in fact identical. Inside you have the SIM ejector pin, some paperwork, a matte grey cover, really good quality. Then here's the phone, USB-C charging cable and the same 67 watt charging brick. Alright, let's have a closer look. So the yellow one is the X6 Pro and the black one is the X6. Now the Poco Yellow on the X6 Pro looks stunning. Above that, it comes with a vegan leather finish which is soft to touch. The X6 on the other hand has a glossy back, definitely prone to fingerprints and smudges, but feels really nice in the hand. Also, it's slightly lighter and thinner than the X6 Pro. Well, it's almost negligible when held together. Also, did you notice the Poco Yellow power button on the Pro variant? So eye-catchy. Then both have dual stereo speakers, the same port placements at the bottom, USB-C, microphone and a SIM tray that can house dual nano SIM cards. Sadly, there's no support for SD card expansion, so get the highest variant if possible. Both have IR blasters, so you can control your home appliances like TV, ACs and more. When placed on the table, the X6 rocks a lot more than the X6 Pro. I mean, it might not be a big thing, but still worth sharing. IP54 rating on both, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But I would say keep it away from water as far as possible. What's surprising to see that there is a headphone jack on the X6 variant, which the X6 Pro lacks. But the X6 Pro has NFC support that the X6 lacks. So it's like ek hardware tu rakh, ek main rakhta hu. Coming to the display. Well, they're exactly the same. 6.67 inch, 1.5K AMOLED panels, excellent color reproduction and super vibrant. 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate on both, adding to the much needed smoothness to the interface. Both have a peak brightness of 1800 nits, which makes it totally usable outdoors. Check that out. Gorilla Glass Victus on the X6, while Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the X6 Pro. Then there's a punch hole notch on both, housing the exactly same 16 megapixel selfie camera. Then these two also come with in-display fingerprint scanners, fast and responsive. However, I felt that it's slightly more snappier and quicker on the Pro variant. Then watching movies and TV shows are super fun on both these phones. Goes edge to edge and looks amazing. Also, both devices support Dolby Vision. You can spot the logo on the Netflix app. The content looks absolutely amazing. Also, you can see the experience is very similar. Enjoy Dolby Vision content in your palm. Superb. Then both the X6 and the X6 Pro come with dual stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos support. Time for a quick demo. Alright, both sound just the same. It's like they have the same hardware. It's loud, it's clear and pretty good audio fidelity as well. Enjoy action scenes with stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos for a more immersive experience. Poco nails it in the audio department. Coming to the OS. So there's a huge difference here. The X6 Pro is running Android 14 out of the box, while the X6 is still running the Android 13 OS. Poco promises 3 years of Android and 4 years of security updates, which is just brilliant. Then HyperOS debuts with the X6 Pro, while we still see the MIUI 14 on the X6. HyperOS offers next level optimization when it comes to performance and features. My favorite feature has to be the lock screen customization, and there is so much to explore here. By the way, you can see the fluidity too. It's truly impressive. But when it comes to bloatware, दोनों एक दूसरे के बाप है. भर के apps and games. But the good thing is you can delete most of them. So it shouldn't be a big deal. Coming to the performance. So the X6 Pro is running the all-new Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, while the X6 is running the Snapdragon 7S2 Gen. Now both are 5G chipsets and obviously will support 5G across all network providers in India. The X6 Pro's performance is flagship level, and you can see it even in day-to-day tasks. The X6 is no slouch either. It's quite powerful and can handle everything just as well. Now both are 12GB RAM variants, but the X6 Pro comes with LPDDR5X RAM, while the X6 comes with LPDDR4X RAM. And of course, both have virtual RAM expansion support as well. Apps on both these devices launch super quick. Multitasking is such a breeze on both. However, you can notice a slightly better performance on the Pro variant, which was expected. Then we ran the Antutu benchmark and the X6 Pro scored 13,80,000, while the X6 scored 5,75,000. There you go, the numbers say it all. Also, faster UFS 4.0 storage on the X6 Pro, while UFS 2.2 storage on the X6. Check out these read-write speeds. There is a noticeable difference between them. Then we played BGMI on both these phones, and frankly, side by side they look and feel just the same. However, the X6 Pro gives us 90 FPS while the X6 clocks 60 FPS. Gaming was really fun on both, but slightly more snappier at times on the X6 Pro, which is quite obvious. Didn't experience any lag or drop frames on either of the devices. I can confidently say, if gaming is your thing, then the X6 Pro is definitely the one for you. The X6 on the other hand will not let you down either. Alright, coming to the battery. So we get a 5000 mAh battery on the X6 Pro, it's the usual thing, but we get a 5100 mAh battery on the X6. It's surprising considering it's a more budget variant and it also lasts a tad longer. But still, I can say that both these phones will last you 1 to 1.5 days easily. Luckily, Poco is providing a 67-watt charger in the box, which charges these devices between 35 to 45 minutes. Too good. Coming to the cameras. So both have the exact same camera setup, 64 megapixel primary with OIS, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro. Now here are some images taken on both from the primary camera. Here are some ultra wide shots. Unless you looked at the watermark, you probably wouldn't be able to differentiate between the two. They're really good. However, if I had to nitpick, I can say that the quality on the X Pro is a tad better. Here are some night shots, and here too you can see that the X Pro is doing a far better job than the X6. There is so much more detail in those images. Now here's a 4K 30 FPS video recording from the rear camera, but only the X6 Pro supports HDR. Results are in front of you. Both have OIS, so video is quite stable. Now here are some images taken with the 16 megapixel front camera. Here too, there is barely any difference. And it pivots between sometimes the X6 look better and sometimes the X6 Pro looks better. But trust me, both do an equally good job. You can see the bokeh blur also really good. Just like the rear camera, HDR support is only available on the X6 Pro. But I can say the overall quality on both is quite good. Alright, final thoughts. So we already knew that the X6 Pro is a beast when it comes to hardware and benchmarks. So those into hardcore gaming and performance oriented tasks can pick this one. The X6 is an amazing device for media consumption and day-to-day use, which is why also it's a lot cheaper. Plus it gets a headphone jack also, Dolby Vision support, Dolby Atmos support, even on a budget sibling, which is really commendable. The X6 starts at 19,999 while the X6 Pro starts at 24,999. Of course, these prices are with some card offers, but trust me, it's totally worth it. It goes on sale today, 16th of January. I'll share the links of both these variants, all the color options in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.